Hello everyone, welcome to my AI answer machine demo, and let's get right into it. So who am I? My name is William. I'm education. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, aspiring software engineer. Every week I'm doing about 15 lead code questions, 3 mock interviews, and about 30 to 40 applications. So what is the problem? What is this application actually doing? So create a chat application that has the following: update the UI and handle the API responses needed, allow users to input URLs. Implement a chat API with Grok and web scraping with Cheerio and Puppeteer. So we're essentially implementing a ChatGPT-like interface that allows for web scraping of URLs and implement rate limiting and caching with Redis. Possible stakeholders and users, so students, researchers, professors, anyone looking to grab information quickly and concisely. So this is what it's going to look like, or what it does look like. This is the interface. It's kind of similar to the Android text interface is kind of what I was going for. Um, and right here we can pass it a URL and it's going to summarize that based on our specifications. So before I get into the diagram, or actually let me go into the diagram real quick. So what I have here is a simple diagram of what it looks like, what the software looks like. So we got the Grok API right here. The Redis, this is for the caching, right? And this is interacting with our backend Next.js API. And we have the Redis middleware. This is for the session data that we're actually storing to or implement rate limiting. We have the React front end over here, which is presenting the data. So let's jump into what this actually looks like. So here we go. Here I have the code here, and I have it up and running here. So let's ask it a question. All right, can you summarize the key points of this URL? Right. Let's give it the Google Gemini API docs. Here we go. Very quick. So I have already passed it this URL, so I had a very quick response since it was in the cache. And here we go. And let's try the YouTube homepage. Ignore what I was watching there. All right. Say, what is this web page, and what contents are are on the page? But YouTube kind of gives us a little background on YouTube as well. So what exactly is going on in this code here? What setup do we have going on with the software? So it is a full stack application. So we do have the front end right here that's presenting the data to the user. There's the back end route that's taking in the response. We have the get AI client. So this is grabbing or actually interacting with the LLM, the Grok LLM. And in this case, we're using Llama. We have the web scraper, which is actually scraping the website, and then we're actually implementing caching. So get cached key, get cached content. If it is cached, cache the content. And then we do have our middleware here, which is storing the session ID, or creating a session ID if it doesn't exist, and storing it in the cookies. And this is how we're implementing rate limiting. So if I were to start spamming this, you have exceeded the rate limit. Please wait. This needs to be converted, but before sending another message, and it is set to about a minute. So after a minute, it should reset. All right. And so what are some of the challenges? Really just keeping everything organized and actually building this software. So the more features that I added, type checking, middleware, session data, caching, web scraping, rate limiting, the more complicated the software became, and really just planning it out, making sure I understood how each piece was interconnected and how I could interact with each piece, and managing all the different tools and everything. And really, what it came down to was just planning. That helped tremendously. And all right, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching.